Well, it's a pretty windy day again. As you can see, the plane rocking. It just flipped over on me, and as I was trying to launch it. And so here we go. I'm going to try it again. We'll keep it short. It'll be a very short flight. I am going to use one notch of flaps, takeoff flaps, normal takeoff flaps. There's enough wind with the normal takeoff. It should pretty much be a stalled takeoff, and you can see it rocking already. Going to do a short flight and see if we can have a little bit of fun. Here we go. Armed. Elevator up. There we go. I actually have a pretty heavy battery in here today. I've got the 800 2S battery, which is a good battery for weight and life. Seems to be flying really well though. Oh, there we go, gliding. 0 power. Stay away from this guy over here who's practicing his disc golf. Well, he's not playing. I'm going to go out that way for a quick pass. Wind is definitely lifting that up. I think I'm going to bring it down and call it a day. Cherokee ran well. This ran well in its moment. And there we are. We're down.